Good morning children, welcome to NCG Max. So here this is the Olympiad question. So welcome to NCG Max. Here Olympiad questions are uploaded, which are logical and critical questions. So like this only the problems will be uploaded. So if you like the channel, you subscribe the channel and share to your friends. So the question is given now, if x is a root of x plus 1 by root of x is root 5, find x power 12 plus 8x power 8 plus x power 4 by x power 16 plus x to the power of 10 plus x power 6 plus 1. So you have seen this type of problems, but this is a somewhat different problem. So here you have to apply the logic. Same, the process is same, but you have to apply the logic in different way, and you have to get the answer here. So first of all, what is given? X plus root x plus 1 by root x is equal to root 5. Already you know here how to do squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x will get it as x plus 1 by x plus 2 will as 5. From this we will get x plus 1 by x equal to 3. So again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to 9. So this 2 will get cancelled, will go that side. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 9 minus 2. X square plus 1 by x square is equal to 7. So again what I am doing is squaring on both sides. So you may get doubt what we are doing. Again squaring on both sides. X square plus 1 by x square is 7. Squaring on both sides. X power 4 1 by x power 4 plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square is equal to 49. So here you will get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 49 minus 2. X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 47. So here you got the value. So all these values we'll use afterwards. In the problem we'll use these values. Now here I am cubing on both sides. X plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Cubing on both sides. X cube plus 3 a into b of a plus b, cubing on both sides, plus 1 by x cube is equal to 27. 3 cube 27. So here x get cancel. X cube plus 3 into 3 plus 1 by x cube is equal to 27. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 27 minus 9. You are getting 18. Okay, now I want x power 5. X power 5. So x to the power of 5 plus 1 by x to the power of 5. So here you will multiply these two. X cube plus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square will multiply. So what will get here? X to the power of 5 plus x cube by x square plus x square by x cube plus 1 by x to the power of 5 is equal to 18 into 7. So here x to the power of 5 plus, here what will get? X plus 1 by x. This value will be x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x to the power of 5 is equal to 126. So x to the power of 5 plus 1 by x to the power of 5 is equal to 126 minus 3. This value is 3. So 123 you are getting now. So these are the values we are having now. So what is given now? You are taking now given part, x to the power of 12 plus 8 x to the power of 8 plus x to the power of 4 by x power 16 plus x to the power of 10 plus x to the power of 6 plus 1. You have to find the value of this. Here I am taking x power 4 common in numerator. So here x to the power of 8 will get plus 1 plus 8 a to the power of 4, x to the power of 4. So in the denominator I am writing the factors. So x to the power of 10 common, first two terms, x power 6 plus 1 plus 1 into x power 6 plus 1 factors I am taking. So here in the numerator you will get x to the power of 4 into x power 8 plus 1, 8 into x to the power of 4 by x to the power of 6 plus 1 into x to the power of 10 plus 1. So here you may get doubt. So what you are doing and what you are getting. So from this, so what you will do, multiply with x power 4. Multiply this with x power 4. Multiply with x power 4. What will get here? X power 8 plus 1 is equal to 47 x power 4. So but you want x power 8 plus 1 plus 8 x power 4. So x power 8 plus 1 plus 8 x to the power of 4 is equal to 55 x power 4. 55 x power 4. You can substitute here. So in the denominator x power 6 is there, x power 6 plus 1. So from this you can write multiplying x power 3, multiplying x power 3 on both sides. X power 6 plus 1 is equal to 18x cube. 18x cube. This you can substitute here in the denominator. Now if you take x power 10, so this one multiply with this one, multiply with x to the power of 5. So what will get? X to the power of 10 plus 1 is equal to 123 x to the power of 5. So these three values you have to substitute here. First value, second value, third value. You have to substitute here. What will get? X to the power of 4. Here 55 x to the power of 4 the value, total value x power 8 plus 1, 8x to the power of 4. Now x power 6 plus 1 is 18x cube. Okay, x power 10 plus 1, x power 10 plus 1 is 123x to the power of 5. 123x to the power of 5. So the value of x will cancel now, x power 8 by x power 8. Now the answer is 55 by 2214. 55 by 2214. So thank you for watching the video. So if you like the video, subscribe the video. Like this only the problems will be uploaded. Thank you for watching Ian's Easy Maths Olympiad.